Most homeowners think comfort is a number on a thermostat. If that were true, wouldn't every home set to 22 degrees feel exactly the same? But in reality, they don't. Here's why. Number 1. Airflow. Your HVAC system doesn't heat or cool rooms evenly by default. It moves air through a network of ducts. When airflow is unbalanced, some rooms get too much air while others get too little. That's why your bedroom feels freezing while your living room never cools down. The system can be running perfectly, but the air simply isn't getting where it needs to go. Think of it like a sound system. The music is playing, but half the speakers aren't connected. Number 2. Insulation. Insulation doesn't create comfort, it preserves it. If insulation is thin, missing, or uneven, your home loses heat and cooling faster than your system can replace it. That leads to drafts, cold floors, and rooms that never feel stable and comfortable. The system keeps turning on and off in hopes of catching up, not because it's weak, but because the house can't hold on to the air it produces. Number 3. System size. So you bought the same exact HVAC system as your friend, but it doesn't work for you. Is the HVAC system bad? Not really. The performance of your HVAC depends on the size of your system as well as your house. A system that's too large would heat or cool your room quickly and then shut off. That short cycling presents proper air mixing and humidity control, leading to inconsistent temperatures around your house. On the other hand, a smaller system would run constantly and would never fully catch up. The key here is balance. Number 4. Installation. You must be wondering, why is installation even in this list? Trust me, it's for a very important reason. At Superior HVAC, we've seen time and time again that poor installation is the biggest cause of discomfort in homes. Improper duct design, air leaks, or missing calculations can cause pressure problems throughout the home. Nothing appears broken, but the comfort is inconsistent across the rooms. Is the temperature consistent throughout your home, or does it vary from room to room? Comment below.